Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to write degrees Celsius in Word. To correctly write this temperature unit, always spell out degree and Celsius as two distinct words. Remember to capitalize Celsius because it honors Anders Celsius, the Swedish astronomer who developed the temperature scale. However, degree remains lowercase. For example, you would write 20 degrees Celsius for a comfortable room temperature. This simple rule ensures clarity and proper grammatical usage in all your writing. When using the symbol, the correct abbreviation is degrees C. It is important to place a non-breaking space between the numerical value and the symbol for proper formatting. For instance, you would write 25 degrees C rather than 25 degrees C. If you are writing the full words, always state the number followed by degrees Celsius, such as 30 degrees Celsius. This distinction helps maintain professional and clear communication in scientific and everyday contexts. Let's look at some examples of how to use degrees Celsius in a sentence. You might say, the weather forecast predicts a high of 28 degrees Celsius tomorrow. Or, the oven needs to preheat to 180 degrees Celsius for baking. Another common example is, the human body temperature is approximately 37 degrees Celsius. These examples show how to integrate the phrase naturally and correctly into various contexts, ensuring your meaning is perfectly clear to your audience. For optimal clarity, consistency is key. If you start by writing out degrees Celsius, continue that style throughout your document, especially in formal writing or general text. Conversely, in scientific papers, technical reports, or data tables, the degrees C symbol is often preferred for its conciseness. Always ensure there is a space between the number and the symbol. Choosing the appropriate format, based on your audience and context, will significantly enhance the readability and professionalism of your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.